Да ты что, птичка? А ну-ка спой еще. Beautiful. You sing so beautiful. Good job. One more time. Thank you.
So if you guys have a second, I would like to take you on a quick drive. My favorite evening getaway. Check it out. So today we're tapping into our well. Hopefully we could get a spigot on and have water. That'd be a good day. We'll check that. Alright, so we got the pitless installed, and now we're installing our T for the water line. And
put a temporary hose bed right.
Matt's gonna go flip the power on, temporary power for the pump and expansion tank. So this is where our well house is gonna be. We had the pump not work before, but we found the issue, took care of it, and now we're flipping it on again for the first time. Let's see if it'll work. Ready? 15 climbing, sir. Uh-oh. Well, we're moving out of our shop today. And that thing in particular right there, brakes decide to seize up on us on the left side. And we got people flying in tomorrow. What do you have to say for yourself? It's not gonna be bad, but we're gonna go ahead and replace the caliper. Some kind of weird damage going on there, so swap the caliper and be back at it. We do need to figure out a way to get to Napa, though. Any ideas, Matt? How do we get to Napa? Running. Excellent choice, my lord. Excellent. No, our old truck is continuing to get new parts. Maybe one part at a time.
What's that?
Truck will become new one day.
Like, if you replace all the parts, is it still the same truck or is it a new truck? You know, like there's that dilemma.
I think like some kind of an ethical question.
At one point, is something that's replaced and completely different still the same thing?
Yeah, we're still paying insurance for an old truck, but everything is new.
That works. It's a nice part though.
It's shiny.
Yeah.
Not for long.
Not for long. On his way to the grocery store, no doubt.
Yeah. We're racing. We're racing with the float plane.
Oh, it's so much fun.
I can't wait.
You're gonna have so much fun with that.
С первым делом, самолеты.
Oh, you might be going to the restaurant.
Ну а девушки потом.
Перелетные птицы, только вы наш одним не хорош. На земле не успели жениться, а на небе жены не найдешь. Потому что мы пилоты, небо наш родимый дом. Первым делом самолеты, ну а девушки потом.